Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Teams meeting for Outlook. Okay, so basically Outlook, scheduling a Teams meeting is not as just like on Windows, where basically from Outlook you can schedule a Teams meeting from there. It is actually pretty different. Okay, is that you need to download the Teams meeting, or you could use a different way on Outlook. I'm going to show you both ways. So first of all, you're going to launch Outlook, and from Outlook you're going to click, instead of a new mail, you're going to click on this arrow up. Okay, then you're going to click on new event. Now from that new event, you're going to specify which time you want. Let's say all day event. You're going to put on the title, let's say discuss. Okay, and after that you're going to specify what people you want. Basically, let's say my other email. I'm going to put it over here, and then after that you can put it on something called online meeting, which uses Skype. Okay, now if you don't want to use Skype, which is basically another application that Microsoft has used, you can actually do it on Microsoft Teams. How? You're going to download Microsoft Teams, and for Microsoft Teams, you're going to first of all sign into your Microsoft account, and then after that you're going to go onto your calendar, and from calendar you're going to add a new event, and from new event you're going to add the event name and add the participants, and from the participants you're going to specify which time you want. Okay, which time you want for the Teams meeting, and then you're going to click on the tick, and it's going to send everyone that there's going to be a Teams meeting at that time. So yeah, guys, that was basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.